If you are holding cryptocurrencies, you need to watch this emergency video because I have some incredible information that is going to be changing everything. What's up, Miles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that I make about cryptocurrencies every single day. If you love cryptocurrencies, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps us support the crypto community by getting these videos out there to people who need them. Also, if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trade alerts in the world, go ahead and join the Patreon right now. The link is in my video description, where I'm putting constant day trade alerts and updates to let you guys know what's happening, when to buy, when to sell at all times. I can even take a look at your portfolio. You can message me every day. You can even follow all of my day trades every single day. I also have a crypto trading course to teach you technical analysis and how to day trade cryptocurrencies. That will be in my video description as well as a whole bunch of other links, including my social media sites, which you should follow, that will help you to make money in crypto. And do not forget to get your 2 free stocks from WEBULL worth up to $3,500. All you have to do is create an account with my link below and deposit 1 penny. Let's go ahead and dive straight into the content. So what we are seeing is the cryptocurrency market from last night was looking very bearish. The market was heading down and we were headed down fast. But here is the thing. There is a piece of news that has shot up the crypto market. That's why we are seeing Ethereum up 3% today. We are seeing Terra up 8%. A lot of cryptocurrencies are up significantly, and I'm going to show you why right now. Now, the reason for this is because last night, as cryptos were about to crash and have a major dump, Biden came out, and there is talks that Biden had spoke with Putin to come together to have some type of meeting to kind of stop this whole Russian invasion into Ukraine. So that is what is pushing up the market as of now. So what they're calling it is a summit where Biden would be able to speak with Russia and other people involved to try to quell things, to kind of get things to stop. And that is certainly good news. But there's some articles coming out there with contradicting statements saying, talk of Biden-Putin summit premature, Kremlin says, as tensions rise. So it says Russia said Monday there were no concrete plans yet for a meeting between President Joe Biden and Vladimir Putin. What this basically means is that they've agreed that there is going to be a meeting, but there is no concrete details when and where this will be. So that's not the end of the world. It's not a terrible thing. There's just no concrete details, which is certainly true and normal. So that's why we are seeing the market starting to head up. But is the market going to continue up? Because there are fears of Biden signing an executive order, which he said last week he would do. And that's very likely he would do this week. And the executive order really is nothing. And it does regard cryptocurrency regulation, but what it actually means is that Biden is going to be having some of the agencies within the government take a look at cryptocurrencies. That's all it is, not to regulate them, not to do anything, but to take a look at them to see how they could potentially regulate CBDCs and other cryptocurrencies as related to the government. Now, there's actually positive news out there today. Look, the Russian government introduces a crypto bill into parliament over central bank objections. So the Russian government is actually pro-cryptocurrency, and they are trying to get some regulation done today here very soon. And that's a very good thing. Ukraine is doing the same exact thing. Very interesting. A lot of things are happening with cryptocurrency while there's potential war is about to be taking place. Very interesting that they are focusing on cryptocurrencies while all of this stuff is happening. So that is the gist of what is happening in the market. But as of right now, the market literally in the last couple of hours had bounced up very, very fast. Let me show you just Ethereum. And the Ethereum chart is going to let us know what's happening with Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, the whole crypto market. So for Ethereum, what actually ended up happening is we are trading in this small little range here, guys. Another range again. And this range is tending to be quite accurate as we see. So what's actually happening is that we are bouncing back and forth between resistance and support levels, which we are trading in the Patreon and making money with. But here is the thing. So last night, because of the news, we ended up shooting up very quickly. And around 3 in the morning, we started to head slowly down. I personally didn't think that we would come all the way down to the support level, which we did. We bounced up a little bit higher than the support level, so technically we are at a higher low, but it's very, very, very close. So I honestly wouldn't even call it a higher low at this point. But more news came out this morning again to push up cryptos, and we had another big push up. So what I think is likely to happen is if we can continue to maybe trade sideways a little bit, maybe we can push outside of this resistance level and start to head up, especially if Russia is not going to be invading Ukraine, because Biden is getting in the middle of it to try to put a stop to it. If that does happen, I do see us recovering from this area, and that this would be potentially a very good buying opportunity. But remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. I currently, and my Patreon members in the third tier, we are trading these little areas, making money, but we must be completely cautious and careful because, you know, Biden news has shot up the crypto market twice in the last several hours. So we're keeping an eye on that. And we want to keep an eye on if we're going to head back down to this support level. And if we do head back down to this support level, we could, of course, bounce up, but I think it would be more likely that we would continue the overall downtrend that we are in since the last several days. All the way on the 9th of February, we have started, honestly, to head down. We've had an opportunity to try to bounce up, but we failed to make a higher high over here on the right side, all the way in the 16th of February, which is honestly just about 5 days ago. So ever since then, we have been headed down in this downtrend, but we might actually be starting to bounce here. And if we actually take a further look into some technicals, make sure you keep watching because I have some very important information. If we look at some very important technicals, we can take a look at the MACD. The MACD on the 4-hour is bullish. We just got a cross last night. We got a cross today. And even last night, we got a 3-hour cross, and it is certainly looking good. The 4-hour, the 3-hour MACD crosses are generally a very good sign for us to sell or to buy into the market. And as we are seeing the technicals right now, the market is certainly looking like we could see a little bit of a pop, a little bit of a bounce here. That could last potentially a couple of days until some more FUD and pieces of news drives us down. So that means that we are going to be making these short little trades, that the market is not going to be seeing a crazy bull run right now, most likely, but that we will be bouncing up and down and having these small little trading ranges, which we can trade profitably in the Patreon. And if you join the Patreon third tier, we can actually speak to me on the phone. You will be able to monitor and to follow all of my trades as they are going live. Highly recommend checking that out. Now, if you got something out of this video, make sure you smash up the like button and below up the comment section, share this video with a friend or family member, and I will see you all later.